How to use Klaviyo Pro marketing automation properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Klaviyo Pro is a powerhouse for email and SMS marketing, yet most beginners fail to use it effectively. The surprising truth is that access to advanced features alone doesn't guarantee results. You need strategy and precision. The first mistake is ignoring list segmentation. Many users send blanket campaigns, which reduces engagement. Klaviyo Pro lets you segment by behavior, purchase history, and engagement level. For example, sending a cart recovery email to only those who abandoned products in the last 24 hours drastically increases conversion rates. Another common error is not leveraging automated flows. Beginners often manually send campaigns or rely only on simple automations. Setting up flows like welcome series, post-purchase follow-ups, or VIP loyalty journeys ensures timely, personalized communication that builds stronger customer relationships. A third mistake is underutilizing data analytics. Klaviyo Pro provides detailed reports on revenue per recipient, engagement rates, and predictive analytics. Without monitoring these metrics, you can't optimize campaigns or identify high-value segments. For instance, focusing on customers with the highest predicted lifetime value maximizes ROI. Many users also neglect app testing, where users can test subject lines, send times, and content variations. Skipping this step can lower open rates and engagement. Testing helps you understand what resonates and refine campaigns for better results. Finally, failing to integrate with e-commerce platforms is a big mistake. Klaviyo thrives on purchase and browsing data. Integrating with Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce allows personalized recommendations, product triggers, and automated upsells. To use Klaviyo Pro effectively, segment wisely, automate customer journeys, leverage analytics, test campaigns, and integrate deeply with your store. Avoiding these common mistakes ensures higher engagement, better sales, and a marketing strategy that truly works.